Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to showcase the 2018 Stingray 182SC. So all the way in the back of the boat here, you can see we've got our lovely powered 90 horsepower Yamaha, a fantastic engine for this boat. It is outfitted with your ski tow and a couple rocket launchers for those days on the water fishing. We have our stainless fold down telescoping ladder, easy on, easy off board, and our flag holder as well. And you can see right away as you're going through this, just in this video, this boat is unbelievably clean. It comes in at 19 feet 1 inch overall, 7 foot 6 inch beam. So the perfect size boat for a family to get on the water for the day. All the way in the back here, you have your storage with cooler. We've got additional storage here with dual batteries with a dual battery shutoff switch. More storage, and again, just to clarify on how clean this boat really is. The upgraded sound system. So as you come around here, you're gonna see this kicker head unit here. It's got kicker speakers throughout, as well as a 10-inch JL audio subwoofer on board. Love for you to come on in and take a look at this boat. It does come with a trailer as well, so easy to get in the water for your test drive. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and this has been the 2018 Stingray 182SC. Thank you.